Subscribe to Siddharth Kanan's YouTube channel now.
रोडीज में भी एक कंट्रोवर्सी इरप्ट हुई थी और आज का माहौल बहुत सेंसिटिव है। नेहा, आप जानती हैं, छोटी
Yeah,
छोटी बातें या जो भी हो इरप्ट हो जाती है।
yeah, erupt really.
एब्सोल्युटली। फिर सोशल मीडिया में आने लगा कि नेहा धूपिया ओके है कि गर्ल्स हिट बॉयज बट नॉट द अदर वे अराउंड। क्या ये फिल्म उसके लिए एक आंसर है कि यार नो फॉर्म ऑफ वायलेंस इज एक्सेप्टेड? इज दिस एन आंसर टू ऑल दोस ट्रोल्स दैट वर हैपनिंग, दिस फिल्म?
I definitely think I'm glad you brought this question up, Sid. और मुझे बहुत हद तक लगता है कि it may not be an answer, but it's definitely a step towards believing that I believe in the cause. That if there is abuse going on, and abuse is not just physical, it can be mental, it can be emotional, it can be sexual, it can be in so many different forms. It's not necessarily between man and woman, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. It can be between father and son. It can be in at work, between contemporaries. Like, who knows? But the thing is that I'm not okay with it if it happens. So Rodis pe controversy hui thi. It was about me taking a stand against violence, and I was just like, if you are going to cheat on your partner, there can be conversations. It's not okay. But abuse can take you directly behind bars. Like, there is a huge consequence to abuse, which is unmatched. So it was obviously, जैसे आपने कहा, erupt हो जाती है बात. The whole thing got erupted, and people can have opinions. I'm not saying agree with me. You and I are having a conversation. There'll be something you say, there'll be something I say. We can disagree on things. We're two different people. But does that mean that 2 minutes later, you're going to go online and start trolling me after this? Not at all. You're an educated guy who knows what is right and what is wrong. But there are a bunch of people, just because they want to put their point across and they want attention, they will harass you, harass your family, harass your children, and that's not okay. Up to, even I'm saying a confrontation is fine, but trolling is not okay, na? And Sid, there was a time where I had like not thousands, lakhs of comments, and maybe it was right in March when the lockdown had happened. It went on for months because nothing, like, there was no place for them to like stop. Like, there's no end point, right? It's not like आज उठेंगे, आज troll करेंगे और 15 दिन बाद हम रुक जाएंगे. It's too much to take in. I'm not going to lie to you.
तो आप पर क्या बीत रही थी? Was there a mental breakdown from your side?
Yeah, I felt bad because they kind of, my entire family is on social media, and they would aggressively use foul language. There was torture. They were speaking badly about me, my family, my daughter. It was a lot for me to take in. Like, there were times I wouldn't want to like open my phone because I would be scared or do any sort of post. And we use social media to talk about our work. We use social media to talk about a day in the life of. We use social media for brands, for all kinds of work, right? So this, and it just became like, and your Instagram is almost, it's an image of what you want people to believe about you, but you don't want people to believe that this happens to you as far as comments is concerned on a daily basis. I did put out an explanation, and that's it. And I was very certain and very clear that I didn't need to. I've not hurt anyone by saying what I said. Why are people saying things that would hurt me? So I held my own.
I think उस वक्त शायद मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग ये थी कि यार नेहा धूपिया सपोर्ट कर रही है एक लड़की को जिन्होंने अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को चीट किया, whereas the bigger purpose was you were talking about guys cannot hit girls, right?
Yes. I mean, we've all had friends, or we've all had people in our lives where, unfortunately, somebody somewhere, even in our distant circle maybe, are you trying to tell me कि आपकी जिंदगी में ऐसा कोई नहीं है who's been cheated on? It has, but maybe, you move on, you get to know, and it's good riddance, and there are lots of reasons. It's God's larger plan when you get to know about these kind of awful people. That's not okay. But what will you tell your friend? You'll be like, listen, forget it. You got to know it's really bad. It's hurtful. Move on. Don't go back to this person. You're never going to say that, oh, ye hua to acha hua. But if you know that your friend has gone through abuse, you're going to physically go pull that friend out and say that, come, till you don't have an out, you're going to stay with me. I'm not going to let you get hurt again, right? Your reaction in both the circumstances is going to be very different. So that's exactly what I was saying. But, I don't know. I feel like the trolls had had too much time to spare.
हर चीज आप करती है वो माने इरप्शन वापस. आपने ये कहा कि यार मेरे पति में मुझे 5 बॉयफ्रेंड्स दिखते हैं, राइट? I feel like I have 5 boyfriends in one. It's my choice. उसके लिए भी आपको mercilessly troll किया गया था.
Because I was just, it was a pun on what was happening to me, and I was just like, yeah, these are my 5 boyfriends. So it was just like troll किया गया, तो क्या किया गया? The thing about trolls is that how much will you say? Everything they had to say and every person they had to attack in my life, they've done it. Now there's nothing else you can do.
जब आप post pregnancy में भी आपके साथ वो fat shaming हुआ था, right? And that's the most beautiful phase in terms of giving birth and stuff like that. What did you go through?
I didn't go through much. I just feel like, women go through it in different degrees. And I just feel that to a certain extent, you have to be very sensitive to a woman who's just given birth, and fat shaming her would be the last thing that you should be doing. But if people at their own level don't have the brains or the bandwidth to understand that, there's very little you can say. And, I remember that I don't have a problem being fat shamed by trolls because it doesn't matter to me. But to be able to, seeing it via a journalist who's a woman is not okay. I don't even remember her name, but I did take it up seriously, not for my sake, but I was just like, आज मेरे को कर रही है वो किसी और time किसी और को करेगी. So it's better to just like, tell people it's not okay to fat shame a woman, especially when she's given birth. It's not okay to fat shame anyone at any time. People are very positive nowadays in their own skin. People are very positive about the size that they live in. As long as you're healthy, whether you're a size 0 or a size 20, it doesn't matter.